So to make the Wimpy Kid, first you have to start off with its head, which is a circle. Tail should be transparent and outline will be black. We'll make a circle. To make a uniform circle, you hold shift and then drag your mouse to make it bigger or smaller. We'll make its hair. So we'll take a line. We'll click the line tool and draw three lines. We made the three lines. We will also go to this mouse pointer button. Now to Now what this tool helps us do is warp the lines. So we just click on this one object and we click on in the middle and we can just bring it up and down and it will warp it. So we'll just do that. Next we'll just make its eyes. We'll just take the paintbrush tool and draw the eyes on our own. So we'll use the square tool and then warp it. Same thing we'll do for its sleeves. Next, we'll just make his shorts. And we'll make just one of its legs and then we can just duplicate that, make the other one. We'll just duplicate the leg and then rotate it slightly to make the other leg. Now we'll go back to the shorts and make just one little bump there because right now it looks like a skirt. Okay, then we can just or you can just paint it. We make just two lines for his socks and we'll make one of his shoes. And then we'll just put the shoe on his feet. Um, then duplicate it. We'll also make his hands. We forgot to make his hands. Wait. So just take another square and we'll paint the hand, we'll paint the fingers. Now before we put the hand back on, we'll just erase the parts that we don't want. It's easier to erase on a vector than on bitmap because on vector if something's not getting erased, you can just adjust it like that. Same thing we'll do for his nose and for the upper part of his face. Same thing we'll erase his shoes as well. Now we will erase his hand. Bring it to this part. Now the last part that we have to erase is just all of this part where his hand is not supposed to be. And also the part of his shorts. So what we'll do for his shorts right now is make his hand a different color, like red, so that you can see which part you have to erase very clearly and you don't erase the hand. And once you're done, you can make any changes that you want, and you can group some of his arm or limbs together so that in case you want to animate it. But mainly, you just have to use this tool and learn how to warp it and manipulate it so that you can get your result. Thank you.